Hi, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Richard from iSalon Coaching. I've spoke to quite a few of you by now, and I'll be your main coach going through this learning module for the next 12 months. I will also have a couple of other coaches on board, and you'll get to know them, and hopefully they'll be able to help you through each stage of what you're looking for. So what I'd like to do to start with is explain the basics about what's going to be happening through here. We'll have a meet every month. We'll try and figure out how we get to talk to each other, be it on Facebook or be it on a group meeting room in the clouds. And we'll just talk individually as well. We'll do some phone calls to each and every one of you, each coaches or myself, and we'll work you through these modules. So we'll do a bit of time working on the modules that you're working on now and future modules that are on the way through there. What we're going to try and find out through the course of these 12 months is what makes you tick, what makes you happy, what makes you get out of bed in the morning, what's your core values, and then we're going to try and dig in deep and find that, exactly what that is. We're going to try and then explain that, how we can convert that into your salon, so your salon is your core, and then again, how we can get clients that love what you do. If you're not false or fake and you're ideal, and this is what your mission is in life, is to have a salon that aims at this. So for example, if you're all about no toxins and all about easy life and good living, your salon would have less toxins in there, your products you buy will be that sort of thing, and also the clients that come will have that same sort of thing as well. So you'll have an experience for clients and staff that all believe in your story. So that's what we're going to try and do when we start off through there. And we'll figure out things like your branding. We're going to figure out exactly what we're going to do with your USP. We're going to find out what marketing you need to do. We're going to figure out how to motivate your staff, how to motivate your clients. So we're going to figure out quite a few things as we go along through this 12-month process. Some of you will be here to the end because some of you will relish it, and like myself, and just go all the way. Some of you I know are just here testing the waters because you want to move into one-on-one coaching. So you're just going to try out to see if you like some of these coaches before you actually commit. And some of you just won't do the work. You'll either get too busy dealing with today's problems and not thinking about tomorrow's problems, and you'll just either drop out and not do the work. But that's okay. I've coached enough people to realize that there's different people out there. We all need different things out of life, and maybe it's not quite your time. For those of you who go all the way for the 12 months, I assure you, your salon will be stronger. You'll have more money. You'll have more control over your salon this time next year. So we're going to start a plan, and that's how we go through that. We're going to have some specialized coaches here that I've hand-picked. Now, these people have been salon owners. They've also, I think some have wrote books. They've also done coaching. The fact that they are just like me, and I've chosen them personally because they're givers. They care a lot. I want you to use them, and I'm sure they'll want to be used as well. So they're there for you to use. And also, if you want one-on-one coaching with them or myself, that's fine by me. I don't have a problem with that at all. Now, everything you write to me in the iSalon Jigsaw box is confidential. No one else can see it. No other salon owners can see it at all. The only people who can see it is myself and the coaches who can see your answers through there. And we'll need to know how you're going. Apart from that, in Facebook, we're going to add you to a group. Well, obviously, you would know that because that's where you're going to see this video. And what we're going to try and do is if you share your passion and your vision with other salon owners, it sort of holds you accountable that you're going to try and do that. Some people have lived that life. Some people have made mistakes. They'll help you without actually relying on us 24/7. So for us, it's a matter of you're part of a group. And what we're going to try and do is get all of you across the line at the end of the year with a very, very busy salon. So that's our plan through there. So what we'll try and do is give you as many tools as we possibly can. We're going to try and give you as much energy as we possibly can. And we're going to try and get you sorted as fast as we can. So why don't you start now writing down after this video who you are, what's your name of your salon, how many staff you've got, what you expect to get from this course, and what's your biggest problem that you have to accomplish since you're opening your salon. So if you get through that, that'll be really cool, and we'll go straight into it. Awesome. So let's dive in, let's get them answers done, and let's get going. Thank you. Rock on.